Technology is everywhere. It shapes our lives. From the moment we wake up to when we close our eyes, we interact with technology. We use smartphones, computers, and countless other devices. This constant interaction raises questions about what it means to be human. Is technology changing us? Are we losing something essential about ourselves? This essay explores the complex relationship between technology and the human condition. We will delve into how technology impacts our identity, our connections, and our very understanding of reality. We will journey from the tangible world of human experiences to the ethereal realm of artificial intelligence. Our exploration will take us to the heart of some fundamental questions. Are we losing our humanity to the digital world? Can artificial intelligence truly understand human emotions? What does the future hold for the relationship between humans and technology? Join me as we embark on a thought-provoking journey. We will investigate the transformative power of technology and its profound implications for what it means to be human in the 21st century. The digital age provides a mirror. It reflects who we are. Our online interactions, social media posts, and digital footprints reveal our thoughts, desires, and values. This reflection raises a crucial question. Are we losing our humanity in the digital world? Some argue that technology is eroding our humanity. They point to the rise of online anonymity. They worry about cyberbullying and hate speech. They see a decline in face-to-face interactions. Others believe technology can enhance our humanity. They highlight the power of online communities. They celebrate the potential for global connection. They emphasize how technology can amplify empathy and understanding across cultures. The reality is likely a complex blend of both perspectives. Technology is a tool. It can be used for good or ill. The key lies in our choices, our intentions, and our awareness of the potential consequences of our actions in the digital realm. One concern about technology is its potential to erode empathy. We spend hours scrolling through social media feeds. We witness suffering and injustice from a distance. This constant exposure to curated content can desensitize us. Studies show a decline in empathy among young people. This decline coincides with the rise of social media. While correlation doesn't equal causation, it's a worrying trend. Moreover, online communication often lacks the nuances of face-to-face interaction. We miss out on body language, tone of voice, and other subtle cues. This can lead to misunderstandings and a diminished capacity for empathy. However, technology can also foster empathy. Online communities provide platforms for sharing experiences. We can connect with people from diverse backgrounds. We can learn about their struggles and triumphs. This can broaden our perspectives and cultivate empathy. Technology is changing how we understand ourselves. Wearable devices track our steps, sleep patterns, and heart rates. Social media platforms analyze our likes, dislikes, and online behavior. This constant data collection creates a quantified self. On the one hand, this data can empower us. It provides insights into our health and well-being. It helps us make informed decisions about our lives. On the other hand, the quantified self raises concerns about privacy and control. Who owns our data? How is it being used? Are we becoming slaves to algorithms that dictate our choices? Furthermore, excessive reliance on data can reduce our understanding of ourselves to mere numbers and metrics. It can neglect the richness and complexity of human experience that defies quantification. Section 5. The virtual vs. the real. The line between the virtual and the real is blurring. Virtual reality and augmented reality are becoming increasingly sophisticated. These technologies create immersive experiences that can transport us to different worlds. While VR and AR offer incredible potential for entertainment, education, and even therapy, they also raise concerns about escapism and addiction. Spending too much time in virtual worlds can disconnect us from reality. Moreover, as these technologies advance, they challenge our definition of what is real. If we can't distinguish between the virtual and the real, what happens to our sense of self and our understanding of the world around us? The key is to use these technologies responsibly and mindfully. We must maintain a clear distinction between the virtual and the real. We must prioritize genuine human connection and experiences in the physical world. Section 6. Lost in the machine? The transformation of connection. Technology has revolutionized how we connect. Social media platforms allow us to stay in touch with friends and family across the globe. We can form communities based on shared interests regardless of physical location. However, this ease of connection can come at a cost. Social media often presents a curated version of reality. We compare ourselves to others' highlight reels, leading to feelings of inadequacy and loneliness. Moreover, the constant barrage of notifications and messages can be overwhelming. It can distract us from real-life interactions and diminish our ability to be present at the moment. The challenge is to use technology to enhance rather than replace genuine human connection. We must prioritize face-to-face interactions, meaningful conversations, and shared experiences that foster true intimacy and belonging. Section 7. Can AI feel? The enigma of artificial emotion. Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving. AI systems can now perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. They can translate languages, write poetry, and even compose music. This progress raises a profound question. Can AI ever truly understand and experience human emotions? Current AI systems can mimic human emotions. They can recognize facial expressions, analyze tone of voice, and respond in ways that appear empathetic. However, these are simulations based on algorithms and data. True emotional understanding requires consciousness, self-awareness, and a lifetime of experiences that shape our emotional landscape. While AI may continue to advance, it's unlikely to replicate the complexity and depth of human emotions. Emotions are not simply computations. They are an integral part of what makes us human. Section 8. The Singularity crossing the Rubicon. The singularity is a hypothetical point in the future when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. At this point, technological progress accelerates beyond our control, leading to unpredictable and potentially irreversible changes in society. Some experts believe the singularity is inevitable. They argue that AI is on an exponential growth trajectory. It's only a matter of time before it surpasses human intelligence. Others are more skeptical. They argue that human intelligence is far more complex than we currently understand. Replicating it in machines is a far greater challenge than some predict. The singularity remains a topic of intense debate. Whether it's a utopian dream or a dystopian nightmare, it highlights the profound implications of AI and its potential impact on the future of humanity. Section 9. Reclaiming our humanity, a call to consciousness. As technology becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it is crucial to reclaim our humanity. This involves cultivating self-awareness, critical thinking, and a deep understanding of our values. We must become conscious consumers of technology. We must question the information we consume online, challenge algorithms that reinforce biases, and be wary of the potential for manipulation and addiction. Moreover, we must prioritize activities that nurture our humanity. This includes spending time in nature, engaging in creative pursuits, cultivating meaningful relationships, and practicing mindfulness and self-reflection. Section 10. Finding balance, integrating technology with humanity. The key to navigating the challenges and opportunities of the digital age lies in finding a balance between technology and humanity. We need to embrace technology's potential while safeguarding our values, our connections, and our sense of self. This involves setting boundaries, prioritizing real-life interactions, and engaging in activities that foster creativity, critical thinking, and empathy. It also means advocating for ethical technology development that prioritizes human well-being, social justice, and environmental sustainability. Section 11. The future of being human, a universe of possibilities. The relationship between technology and the human condition is constantly evolving. As we venture further into the digital age, we face a universe of possibilities. The future of being human in a technological world is not predetermined. It is a story we are writing together through our choices, our actions, and our commitment to preserving what makes us uniquely human, our capacity for love, compassion, creativity, and connection. By embracing both the challenges and the opportunities presented by technology, we can create a future where technology empowers us without diminishing our humanity.